Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. You know, there's some neat things you can do with a ShopSabre CNC router that aren't really routing. We offer an option called a tangential oscillating knife. Here's what that does. As the name implies, it actually cuts with a real small oscillating knife that goes really, really fast, and it lets you cut a lot of different materials. Tangential means that there's a drive on there that constantly turns that knife so that it's always following geometry. Now you take that and you combine it with a creasing wheel, and that lets you actually make a box. So we're going to go out, we're going to make a cardboard box, we're going to put the creases for the folds. Let's take a look at this. That is an exciting option, and it really extends the capability of your ShopSabre CNC router. If you'd like to have more information, contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.